Hello, I'm back. So basically what I did is I what I did with this is now I'm going to do the back door right here. So I'm going to take this piece right here, which I did is I duplicated that. I separated the selection right here and I put it right here. So what I did right here is I did that. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going into tab right here and actually going into here, and I'm going to be going into object mode and going into edit mode right here, and just go CTR, just select that and go CTRL for link and just go delete that. Go X, CTRL for link, CTR inverse, hide. Go Z, wireframe, B, X face, go Z, solid, and go alt hide right here. And then I'm just going to go into here and go alt shift for loop select and just go extrude right there. And along the x-axis right there. And just go into here and like that. And I'm just going to go into here, go CTRI, inverse, hide, and gotta this, take that, hide that, go into here, and now what I'm going to do is go into here like that, and I'm just going to go bridge like that, go loop right here, and just go into here, loop right here, like that, go CTRE and go edge slide like that, move that right there, loop like that, loop, go CTRE, loop, CTRE, loop like that, go CTR, tab for vertex, go Z, go CTR alt, center, alt M, and we're just gonna go center that, alt M, center that, alt M, center, alt M, center, alt M, center. And now we have that all done right there. So that's all done. So we gotten rid of that section right there. So I'm just going to go out of here. So now what we want to try to do is go into here, select this, like that, and now I'm just gonna go like that and just go hit CTR and the plus button on the numpad and just select this and just go F right there, just delete that, and And I'm just going to go bridge like this. And just going to go into here. Go right here. And just select these two. Center. Center. Select these two, go Alt M center, Alt M center, center. And I'm just going to go edge slide like that. Go into here, edge slide. Go into here, CTRE, edge slide like this. Like that. And just kind of do the exact same thing for this. Edge slide. Edge slide. Like that. Go CTRE, edge slide. CTRE, edge slide. CTRE, edge slide, like that. So that does it like that. So we gotten rid of this. So we want to have this to look exactly as identical to let me get the image. So we want it to look exactly as identical as this. So that's what we want right there. And I'm just going to go into here. Go K for nice select. And just select that like that. And just go into here like that. Like that. And now we're gonna go Alt Glass and go knife right here like that. And now I'm just gonna go into here like that. And just move that in like that, I think. And move that up like that. Like that pretty much. Kind of like that right there. Edge slide. CTR vertex. CTR vertex. So like that. So we have that right there. It looks exactly like that. Kind of like that in a way. So now what we need to do is we need to kind of do the button symbol that's going to go right about here. So I'm just going to go into here and kind of add a button symbol right here. And just go into here and straighten that out. Edge slide. Like that. Axe face. Extrude. Axe face. Alt mirror last. Alt mirror last. Go CTRE edge slide. Alt mirror last edge slide like that. CTRV slide like that. And go into here. Might not look perfect, but that's okay. Edge slide like that. And I'm just gonna go into here and add something like that. So kind of like that it's gonna look. Not really 100% perfect, but still looks good. Shift V like that. Shift V like. Shift V like that. And I'm just gonna go in here, add that right about there. And just go into here and select this right here. Go duplicate. And this is all what we pretty much need to do pretty much. Extrude. That's all what we need to do pretty much right there is that. Face. Extrude. Go edge slide. Edge slide right there. Edge slide right here. Edge slide right here. Edge slide right here. Edge slide right here. Just go CTRE and just like go into edge sliding mode. Just go into here. Right there, and we have that all done right there. Like that. So that's what it looks like right there, I think. Kind of like that right there. Let me try to put that up like that. kind of like that. So it looks exactly like that right there. Now the only thing you have to do is kind of go into here. Kind of go into here, and we're gonna go alt hide right here, and we're gonna move this right about here. Go in here, go out of the selection mode right here. So I'm just gonna go into here and go into here, and I'm gonna bring geometry to origin, move this right about here, go into here, CTR1, and I'm just gonna go scale like that. Like that. Like that. CTR cursor to selected. Lattice modifier. Gonna go into here, scale, x-axis right here, scale, y-axis, and now I'm just gonna add a couple subdivisions in here. Like that. And now what I'm going to basically end up doing is I'm going to actually go into here and select that and go see alt parent or CTR parent, select that and select this, CTR parent, lattice deform. So I'm just gonna go into here, CTR1, And now I'm just going to go into here and go edit right here. And just move that like that. Like that. Right here. And just select that right there. Move that in like this, I think. And just move that out more like that. Move that in like that. And I'm just gonna go into here. Like that. Just go into here. Right here. Move that in like this. Like that. And it looks like that pretty much. Not really 100% perfect, but fits in the door pretty well, I would say. And we just go into here. Like that. And go out of that. Hide. So I want this to be perfectly aligned with this. Like that. Like this. So kind of like that right there. Where it comes out more right about there. I'm actually gonna go into here and go into here. Like that. And just move that out more right about there. Like that. Where it's perfectly aligned like that. And that's what the lattice modifier do. So once you have one of the doors done, you just have to like re-edit it and readjust it to your liking, and then that's it. So if we were to go Alt-Hide right here, that's what it pretty much looks like so far. Mind you, we would have to go into here and just raise this up more right about there. Like that. Kind of like that right there. Where it looks like that. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's close towards it. And then we would go into out of edit mode. And once you're happy with that, for example, we're going to go into here and we're going to just hit apply right there. And it applies it like that. And now we just go out of here and just go out of that. And just go out of tab mode. And this is the entire thing compact into here. So now I'm just going to go into here like that. And just go like that. Hide. And that's added pretty well, I would say. Except I'm going to go into here and I'm going to move this in more right about there. Where that's kind of going in right in there. But other than that, like, other than that, that's pretty good. We have that already done right there. CTR join right there, I think. And now we have that right there, ready to be done. And now we're just going to go out of this. So how much time we have? 29 minutes. So Alt-Hide like that. So we Alt-Hide that right there. And now I'm just going to go into here and go X like that. And that's added right about there. So now we're just going to go cursor to selected. On the 3D cursor we're going to go Shift S, cursor to selected. Right there. And now we're just going to just basically hit like Shift D, I think. And now we're going to go CTR mirror. And we're going to mirror this along that Y-axis like that. And that's almost the fully completed interior almost done. Pretty good, hey? set I might actually go into here, and I might re-edit this a little bit towards my liking. So I might go hide right here. Go into here, I think. Edit. Just go into here. And I'm just going to go out of here and just go Z right here. And just go into here. And just going to go into here and just move that. And move. Go into here. Move that like that. Z. Wireframe. Go into here like that. And I want to just go see right here. And go like that. Go into here. Go Z, wireframe. Move this right about here. Just move this right out like that. Go Z wireframe right here. Z wireframe. Move that out more like that. Z wireframe. Z, and we're gonna hit wireframe. We're just gonna go C on the keyboard and go spray paint selection, and that's what we have right there. So we edit that a little bit. So now we're just gonna go into here. Z, X, face. Just edit that because this always can be edited like that. So that's edited exactly the way I want it to. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go cursor to selected. Or I'm just going to go select these two right here. Right here. And go into here, cursor to selected. Go into here, go duplicate. And go into 3D cursor. I'm going to go CTR mirror. And I'm going to mirror this on the y-axis and go CTR normal. Outside like that. And that's done exactly like that. And that's how you do the actual car interior. So if we were to go out of here, now we see this now closed off between here and now. Which is very well closed off now. Which that's what we want basically. Right there is this to be well closed off. So now since we're done that, now I'm just gonna go alt hide like that. And how much time we have left? Yeah, this is pretty much the interior of the car. maybe not really 100% perfect. Maybe it's not supposed to have these right here, I think, right there. But still, this is just a general idea, for example, on how to do the interior of the car, for example. A general idea of how to do the interior of the car. You could always edit something like this in the future, but I'm just giving you the general idea of what you can do for the interior of the car to make your job a lot more faster at modeling an interior of a car. But other than that, this is very, very good, I would say. Very good, I like it. So that's now done. So the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing, let's say for example, on the next tutorial what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the car seats. And mainly basically doing the different car seats. And then the tutorial after that we're going to be doing the seat belt holders and the seat belts on the car seat. We're going to be doing the seat belts on the car seat. And then on the next tutorial after that we're going to be doing the sun visors in the rear view mirror. And the middle switch that goes right here. And then after that, after all of that, we're pretty much done the entire car interior modeling tutorial. We've pretty much did everything in a car interior. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial really helps you out. And I really hope you like this tutorial. Please stay tuned. And I hope you really like this tutorial a lot. And I hope this tutorial really helps you out with future projects. Please subscribe. Please give me likes, whatever you like. If you don't, that's okay. And I hope this tutorial helps you out.